If you need to calculate the exact age, meaning how many years, months, and days from date of birth to current date, you can use DATEDIF function. Here is syntax. To calculate age, supply date of birth as start date. For end date, supply today function to return today's date. The DATEDIF function can return the difference between two dates in various time units such as years, months, and days, depending on the value you supply in the unit argument. We have date of birth in A2. Use three DATEDIF functions. To calculate the number of years, use the function. You can see the unit argument is y. The function returns the number of years between date of birth and current date. To calculate the number of months, use this function. Supply ym in the unit argument. The function returns the number of months between the month in date of birth and the current month, which is 2 in this case. To calculate number of days, use this function. Supply md in the unit argument. The function returns the number of days between day in date of birth and day in current date. In this case, it is 28. To get the exact age, concatenate the three functions in a single formula. This formula returns years, months, and days in a single string. To make it more readable, separate them with commas and define what each value means. For example, add years, months, and days after respective values. Age is displayed in a readable format. The formula works great, but the only problem is when any of the value is 0, it also displays that value. Use if statement to hide 0 values. This formula works perfectly and displays age in years, months, and days. It displays only non-zero values. To download practice Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.